Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the nation. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court dismisses Tamil Nadu's SLPs against High Court's order permitting route marches by RSS. Preventive detention laws are a colonial legacy with a great potential to be abused. Must be used in rarest of rare cases, says Supreme Court. Supreme Court sets up committee to verify certification and educational degrees of over 25 lakh lawyers amid allegations of fake degrees practicing in courts. Cannot direct center to ban persons charge sheeted for serious offences from contesting elections, says Supreme Court. Bombay High Court quashes FIR against accused in the rape threat on Twitter case to cricketer Virat Kohli and actor Anushka Sharma's daughter. Singer Mika Singh moves Bombay High Court, seeking to quash the Rakhi Sawant molestation case of 2006. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. A bench of Justices V. Ramasubramanian and Pankaj Mittal of the Supreme Court dismissed all special leave petitions filed before it by the state government of Tamil Nadu, while upholding the order passed by a division bench of the Madras High Court, directing the state police to grant permission to the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh for conducting route marches in different parts across the state. The Apex Court on March 27th last month had reserved its order in the matter, and the same was pronounced today. A bench of Justices Krishna Murari and V. Ramasubramanian of the Supreme Court, making observations while setting aside a detention order for a man accused in a gold smuggling case, said that the preventive detention laws in India are a colonial legacy with a great potential to be abused and must be used only in the rarest of rare cases. The court further said that the courts need to analyze cases arising from such laws with extreme caution to ensure there are checks and balances on exercise of power of the government. The Supreme Court ordered setting up of a high-powered committee headed by former judge of the Apex Court, Justice Deepak Gupta, to monitor the process of verification of certificates of law practice and educational degrees of over 25 lakh lawyers across the country. The move comes amid allegations of lawyers with fake degrees practicing in courts throughout the nation. The top court in this regard said that it was of utmost importance to preserve the administration of justice and asked the lawyers to participate in the exercise intended to weed out lawyers with fake degrees and certificates. A bench of Justices K.M. Joseph and B.V. Nagaratna of the Supreme Court, while hearing a petition filed by Advocate Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay, remarked that it cannot direct the central government to ban persons charge sheeted with serious offences from contesting elections. The plea sought amendment of the Election Symbols Order Act so as to debar those charge sheeted of serious offences from being given tickets by recognized political parties. The plea mentioned that there are 43% MPs with criminal charges and that we are governed by political parties indirectly and not by government. The court has asked the central government to file its counter affidavit on the plea, and it will next be heard on July 31st. The Bombay High Court, exercising its power under Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure of 1973, quashed the first information report against the 25-year-old accused, who posted rape threats on Twitter for infant daughter of cricketer Virat Kohli and actor Anushka Sharma. The order was made by a division bench of Justices A.S. Gadkari and P.D. Nayak, after the prosecution granted consent to drop charges against the accused. The accused sought the quashing of FIR in February 2022, claiming that he was a state topper, an IIT graduate, and a meritorious student, and that the continuation of proceedings against him would cause severe prejudice to him. Singer Mika Singh has approached the Bombay High Court and sought the quashing of molestation case filed against him by Rakhi Sawant in 2006. The matter was heard by a division bench of Justices A.S. Gadkari and P.D. Nayak, who were informed that the complainant and the accused have amicably and conclusively resolved their differences and therefore sought the quashing of FIR and charge sheet with the consent of Rakhi Sawant. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android. to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.